Hi, let us look at the staff management module on DINGG. In order to access the module, click on the icon which is on the left. Once you click the icon, all the activated staff can be seen here. In order to add a new staff, you can click on the tab which says Add Staff, put in the necessary information. If you wish to enable the appointments for that staff, you can check from here and save. Let's say in the case of a staff already added onto the system, you can make necessary changes to their profile from here. If you wish to activate their login credentials, you can click on the tab, reconfirm the number, the email, and the locations that they service, and assign a role to them so that they have the required permissions to access the software. In order to manage the services, you can check the services and have that mapped to that particular staff. In order to create the schedule, you can click on the schedule option, select the start and end time. In case of if a new schedule has to be added, you can click on the add option. Once a schedule is created, you can have that copied for the rest of the days. Under the salary settings, you can create the commission structure, decide the salary type, assign a base salary if required. If the commission structure is flat, you can simply assign the percentage. Also decide the sales target and assign it. In case the commission structure is multi-level, you can assign the level that's been already created and define the sales target. We will also look at how you can create multi-level commission structures from the setting options. Over a period of time, all the salary history would be updated under the staff. If the staff is being transferred, or if you wish to transfer and create a transfer for that particular staff, you can do that very easily from here. Under the salary tab, the salary that has been calculated for all the staff can be viewed under this tab. You can check all the details about the total payout. You can export it. In case of a salary which is not due, you can also do a advance payment. You can also pay the tip, settle it from here. In case of rostering the staff, you can do that for the staff from the option here. You can choose the start date, start time, and end time for the staff. In case if the staff is servicing different shifts, you can decide the end and start time for that shift. Mark if it's getting repeated for the rest of the days and save it. Under permissions, you can create different rules and have that assigned to the staff depending upon the permissions that you want to give them. And once you have created the rule, you can manage, control the access that you wish to give them. You can do the same for web as well as app from here. Let us now see how you can go about setting a multi-level commission structure. In order to access that, click on the setting tab, Select the option which says commission level. In case of a new level that needs to be created, you can simply name it, give it a number, decide the percentage, and put a slab to which it is applicable, and update it. That's it from the staff management module. Thank you for watching.